In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to play the A minor 7 chord. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways to play the A minor 7 chord. Let's get started first with the makeup of the chord. So the root is A, the third or flat third is C, the fifth is E, and then the flat 7th is G. So the first way we're going to learn to play this is in open position. Now if you already know an A minor chord, it's real easy. You form the A minor chord and you take off your third finger. But if you don't know that, we'll do it step by step. So we're first going to take our second finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then we're going to take our first finger and put it on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And we're going to strum strings 5 to 1. Now another variant on this is you can put your 4th finger on 3rd fret 1st string. So that's just another voicing you can use. The second way we're going to play this chord is on the 5th fret. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the 6th string, 5th fret, and we're going to put our 3rd finger barred across the 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string like this. So that middle string or the 5th string is muted with the 2nd finger being on an angle, and then possibly you're muting the 1st string with your 3rd finger. So you can actually strum all strings or just strum to the 2nd string, from the 6th to the 2nd string. Now another variation on this is just bar the whole entire 5th fret and then put your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string. That one sounds a little brighter because it has higher voices in it, more notes. It has 6 notes where this one is only producing 4 notes. The third way I'm going to show you is where the root is on the 5th string and we're in the 10th position. We're going to start with our 2nd finger on the 12th fret of the 5th string. Our first finger is then going to go to the 10th fret of the 4th string. Our 3rd finger is going to go to the 12th fret of the 3rd string, and our 4th finger is going to go to the 13th fret of the 2nd string, and we only strum those strings 5 to 2. The fourth way we're going to play this chord is in the 12th position. We're going to bar 5 strings from the 5th to the 1st string. We're going to put our 3rd finger on the 14th fret of the 4th string and our 2nd finger on the 13th fret of the 2nd string. And strum strings 5 to 1. If I take off the bar and go all the way down to the 1st position, or the open position, it's the same as the first chord we started with. And the last way I'm going to show you, the 5th way, is where we use our root on the 4th string. So the A note on the 4th string is at the 7th fret. Then we put our 4th finger on the 9th fret 3rd string. And then we put our 2nd finger and 3rd finger, 2nd stacked on top of the 3rd, on the 2nd and 1st string on the 8th fret. Now a lot of players may use 1st, 3rd, and then bar your 2nd. A lot of jazz players do that. A little bit harder to do. I tend to like all 4 fingers. So use whatever one you prefer. Try both and see which one works best for you. Now, of course, there's a ton more voicings for the A minor 7th chord. I wanted to give you 5 in this video. Hope you found it very helpful. Also, if you want free charts of chords, scales, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next lesson.